How to block a lost or stolen card in Barclays app. First of all, if your debit card has been lost, stolen, or temporarily misplaced, don't worry. The Barclays app makes it easy to take control right away. Open the Barclays app and log in securely. From the home screen, tap your cards. If you have more than one card, select a missing card. If you only have one card, you will be taken directly to its account page. If your card is lost or stolen, tap Report Damaged, Lost or Stolen and choose the appropriate option. Next, tap Order a replacement card to start the process. You will be asked if anyone else knows your PIN. Provide this information, then tap Cancel Card Now to block your current card immediately. Now you know how to block a lost or stolen card in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.